Hi Connecticut, this video is for your testing Pick 3 pi method example, or not example, your testing Pick 3 pi method video. What I do in these videos is I go through the numbers that have already hit. I go back about 30 days approximately. And what I'm looking for, so I'm adding 314 and 159 to the numbers. And what I'm looking for is to see what numbers may potentially hit in the next 7 days. For your state, it seems to like Sundays. This is your second video in this series. One of my viewers, Mad J, they wanted to know if this method works for both day and night draws. For this particular video, I only focused on the night draw. However, I did notice that the day side also was having a lot of hits based on this method, okay? So, just so you know. Also, all math in this video will be lotto math. Alright, so the major portion of this video that I'm going to cover next is just showing you how I go about doing my back testing process. Alright, so September 8th, you had 425 hit. You add 314 and minus off 314 from 425. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. When you minus off 314, you have 4 minus 3, which is 1. 2 minus 1, which is 1, and then 5 minus 4, which is 1. So both 739 and 111 did not hit in the next 7 days. You also add 159 and minus off 159 from that 739, which you got from up here. So 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 9 plus 9 is 18, or 8. You minus off 159, so you have 7 minus 1, which is 6. 13 minus 5, which is 8. 9 minus 9, which is 0. And that number did hit on September 15th. The 739, it came from up here, okay? On the next page, I will be covering the 111, just so you know. Okay, so you're going to add 159 and minus off 159 from the 111. So you have 1 plus 1, which is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 1 plus 9 is 10, or 0. When you minus off the numbers, that also gets you 062. And that number did hit on September 14th. On September 15th, you had 860 hit. You're adding and subtracting off 314 to that 860. 8 plus 3 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 0 plus 4 is 4. You also minus off 314, so 8 minus 3, which is 5. 6 minus 1, which is 5, and then 10 minus 4, which is 6. Both 174 and 556 did not hit in the next 7 days. Down here, you're just adding and subtracting off 159 from 174 that hit up here. Or it didn't hit. What I meant to say is we got it from up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12 or 2. 4 plus 9 is 13 or 3. When you minus off 159, you have 1 minus 1, which is 0. 7 minus 5, which is 2, and then 14 minus 9, which is 5. Both 223 and 025 did not hit in the next 7 days. On this next page, I will be covering the 556. Okay, so on this example, you're adding on 159 and minusing off 159. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 0. 6 plus 9 is 5. You're going to subtract off 1 from the 5 in that 6 row, 5. Bring down 6, 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. And that was a box hit on September 18th. On this part, you're just subtracting off 159, so you have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 5 minus 5, which is 0, and 16 minus 9, which is 7. Add 1 to the 0 there, and then you bring down 4, 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 417 did hit on September 19th. September 22nd, you had 871 hit. Same thing, adding 314, minusing off 314 from 871. 8 plus 3 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 4 is 5. Minusing off 314, so you have 8 minus 3, which is 5. 7 minus 1, which is 6, and 11 minus 4, which is 7. Both 185 and 567 did not hit in the next 7 days. Going to be adding 159, minusing 159 from 185, which is from up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 5 is 3. 5 plus 9 is 14 or 4, and 234 did not hit in the next 7 days. Over here, you're minusing 159. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. 036, you minus off the 1 from the 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, and then bring down 03. 035 did hit. Okay, so this 567 you got from the prior page. You're adding 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 1. 7 plus 9 is 16 or 6, and 616 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're minusing off 159, so you have 5 minus 1, which is 4. 6 minus 5, which is 1. 17 minus 9, which is 8. Subtract off 1 from the 4, that's 3. bring down 1/8, and 318 did hit on September 24th. September 29th, you had 699 hit. You add 314 and minus off 314 from 699, so you have 6 plus 3, which is 9. 9 plus 1, which is 0. 9 plus 4, which is 13, or 3. You're going to minus off 314, so you have 6 minus 3, which is 3. Add 9 minus 1, which is 8. 9 minus 4, which is 5. Both 903 and 385 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to be adding 159 and minusing off 159. When you minus it, you have 9 minus 1, which is 8. 10 minus 5, which is 5. 13 minus 9, which is 4, and 854 did not hit in the next 7 days. When you add 159, you have 9 plus 1, which is 0. 0 plus 5, which is 5. 3 plus 9, which is 12, or 2. You're going to minus off the 1 from the 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down 0.5, and that was a box hit on October 6th. Okay, so on this part, you do have the 385 from the prior page. 385 plus 159, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13, or 3. 5 plus 9 is 14, or 4. 434 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then you're going to minus off 159. So you have 3 minus 1, which is 2. 8 minus 5, which is 3. And 15 minus 9, which is 6. I'm going to add 1 to the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down 23, and 237 did hit on October 1st. So far in the video, it's been all 9 examples. On the next page, I'm going to show you a very brief example on how this went to day side. I'm still using the night draw though, just so you know. .015 did hit on October 6th. You're going to add 314 and minus off 314. So you have 0 plus 3, which is 3. 1 plus 1, which is 2. 5 plus 4, which is 9. So 329 did not hit in the next 7 days. If you subtract off 314, you have 10 minus 3, which is 7. 1 minus 1, which is 0. And 5 minus 4, which is 1. You're going to add 1 to the 7, so you have 7 plus 1, which is 8. And I did write that backwards, so 7 plus 1 is 8. Bring down 0.1, and that's 801. And that did hit on the day side that week. I don't recall what day, but it was within the next 7 days. All right, Connecticut, that will do it for that section of the video. Based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days, they're going to be based on the 215 that hit tonight. I have 001, 853, 752, 900, 529, 362, 363, 528, 479, and 862. Connecticut, remember that sometimes my numbers are off by 1. So if these numbers don't hit exact or box, then I would expect them to be extremely close, okay? So just as an example, make sure that if you do play that you're also upping 1 or going down 1. So just as a very quick example, the 752 may turn into like 753, 751, 742, 762, 852, and 652. Just another example that 900 could turn into 901, 909, 000, 800, and so on, just to give you a couple examples there. Okay, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.